So I have this Villeroy and Boch, and I've had it for a little while, but I've been waiting for something special, and today is the day. Let's look at it. Welcome to Misty Land. I'm Misty, and today I'm unboxing these Villeroy and Boch beautiful manufactured rock. So this is their 12-piece set. So it includes 4 dinner plates, 4 pasta bowls, and 4 salad plates. They're black porcelain. Fancy. They're very masculine. It's fancy. Man fancy. They're very heavy and very loud. I definitely wouldn't use these every day if you're hand washing. See, I want to see how loud they are. Let's. So they're pretty loud, but it didn't leave really a scratch. Silver. Okay, that's not as loud. And it has this texture. I don't know if you can see that. Natural porcelain, made in Germany. I have had them for a while, but I've been waiting for something special. And today is the day. It's Jason's birthday, so let's prepare the table. So if you like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. It makes me happy and it helps me out. Y'all have a good one.
Watch out! Watch out! Bacon, what did you do while we went fishing? Let Granny stay at her house.
When did Granny stay at the house? Well, that ain't right. That's mean. You should come get me, take me fishing.
Like, and I meant you reading all the clues, remember?
I know the real reason you don't take me fishing is because you know that Granny will catch all the fish.
We had a clue day today, all by ourselves about you. It was a really fun day.
You had a fun day without me?
Yep,